Setting up Proton VPN, step by step. In this video, we will take you through the steps of installing and making your online presence more secure and private. 1. Open your choice of web browser, such as Google Chrome. 2. Use the search bar to find the official Proton VPN website. 3. From the search results, click on the Free VPN option provided. 4. You'll be directed to the Proton VPN landing page. 5. Click the Create Account button in the top right corner to get started. 6. In the Pricing Plan section, select Sign Up for Free in the bottom right corner. 7. A new window will open. Continue by clicking the Continue with VPN Free button to set up your account. 8. Provide your email address and click Start using Proton VPN. 9. Proton VPN will either assign a random password or allow you to set your own. Once this is done, proceed with logging in. 10. Use your new credentials to log into your Proton VPN account. 11. From the left menu, select Downloads. The VPN Client tab will appear on the right panel. Choose the appropriate client to download. 12. Alternatively, you can download the client from the landing page by selecting your device from the list at the bottom. 13. For example, if you choose a Windows device, click the Get Proton VPN Free button to download the installer. 14. Locate the protonvpn.exe application in your download folder and run it to install the VPN client. Click it twice, then follow the installation instructions. 15. Before using the VPN, return to the Proton VPN page and click on Account in the left menu. 16. On the right frame under the account label, you'll see that your account needs verification. Go to your email account for this step. 17. Log into your email and locate the verification email from Proton VPN. If you don't receive it, go back to your Proton VPN panel and click on Resend Verification Email. 18. Access the email and follow the instructions by clicking on the Verify Email Address link. 19. Upon completion, you'll receive confirmation that your email is verified. 20. Return to the Proton VPN panel, and you'll now see that your username is verified. 21. Open the Proton VPN client from Windows by clicking on the icon. 22. The client will automatically connect you to the Proton VPN server. For instance, the screen will indicate your connection to a United States VPN server. 23. To confirm your new IP location, you can use a service like whatismyipaddress.com, which will display your IP according to the connected server, Kentucky, United States. 24. Visit websites like YouTube to see that your content is now based on your server location. 25. In the top left corner of the Proton VPN panel, you'll find an icon with 3 bars. Click on it to access your account details. 26. A window panel will pop up, displaying your account information. Congratulations, you are now fully equipped to use Proton VPN securely and privately.